Using ERP Integrator, organizations can efficiently migrate or synchronize data from desktop-based applications to ERP systems, improving operational continuity and reducing manual processes. With ERP Integrator, effortlessly transfer key data as items, bills of materials, products attributes, previews, attachments, and routings into Business Central, all with minimal manual effort. The grid reflects data processed via ERP Integrator, including items and bills of materials imported from the Inventor. As part of the process, I first check whether the items and BOMs exist in ERP. Since they are not available, data will be uploaded. Data is transferred to the ERP system by clicking the Upload up arrow button. The process is completed. Now, we will check the items and bill of materials in the ERP system. Here you can see the preview, product attributes, PDFs, attachments and SharePoint URLs that have been transferred to ERP system using ERP Integrator. Bill materials and versions are also created in the ERP system. This is how our ERP Integrator functions. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.